It's okay. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Why do we have to?
Shh. It's not your fault.
Oh, what have we done?
We didn't do anything. You have to stop punishing yourself. Shh. Oh. I'm so sorry, my dear. I'm so sorry.
Oh, God.
I'm so sorry, my dear. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, my God.
It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay.
I would like you to choose a statement that best describes the way you've been feeling lately. I usually sleep well. I have some trouble with sleep. I have a lot of trouble with sleep.
She has a lot of trouble with sleep.
I am more nervous than most people. I am very nervous. I'm miserable.
She's always calm. In fact, she's too calm. She makes me nervous.
And you think I'm the depressed one?
You know, she doesn't say a word or even come out when people come around. Is something wrong?
Her symptoms are similar to other patients.
Of course they have to be. If I'm not sick, how else would you make your money?
Does she do chores around the house or does she stay in bed all day?
Well, not up until the accident. She does basically everything. You know, she does the laundry, she does the cooking, tidies up, and basically everything.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Hooters Bar and Grill. What can I offer you?
Nothing for now.
Can I at least bring you a bottle of water? Are you enjoying your day, sir?
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Let me get this dried for you.
Don't bother.
Let me dry this up for you.
It's okay. Just...
I'm not usually this clumsy. It's just that I was at an interview today. I'm trying to get another job. I mean, I already have this job, obviously. I'm just trying to get another one. My son is starting school on Saturday. And I need another job to be able to afford his education. My feet is hurting me.
Advice? Never wear heels to a job that requires you standing most of the time.
I really should have known better. Please, can I sit? My name is Abele. Can I ask what your name is?
Nelson.
Mr. Nelson. I'm not usually this way with customers.
Yeah, right.
It's just, I saw you sitting here looking very sad, and I thought I could help.
Well, you can't.
I know it can be difficult to speak, especially when you're sad or depressed. But talking about it might actually help you relieve some of the burden. At least I can listen.
It's my wife.
If you don't mind me asking, what happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay, I'm sorry I asked you.
They would have still been alive if only I showed up on time. See, I was running late. And Temi had to go and pick her up from school, on her way from the hospital. See, Temi never makes mistakes. But this time she forgot to strap the belt around Mofe. Mofe is my daughter's name. Mofe was 6. I can still see her laugh. Each time to run, she ran to hug me after school. You see, she had a play, and she was supposed to play the princess. And Mofe and I were supposed to go shopping for her costume that day. That day we lost 2 babies. 2. Temi was pregnant, and she had a miscarriage due to the accident.
I'm so sorry. But I want you to know that this is not your fault. There's no rule book on how to be a parent. This can happen to anybody else.
We were their parents. And it was our responsibility to protect them. And we failed. We failed. That's Temi, my wife.
She's beautiful.
Yeah. She's a shadow of her former self. And it hurts me that I can't take away her pain.
Are you okay?
I mean, my wife is a psychologist. What in the world am I able to tell her that she doesn't already know?
I really don't know how to make you feel better. But have faith, and this too will pass. Excuse me.
Are you okay?
That was my sister. She has to go pick Jacob up from school. He's causing troubles again. Jacob is my son, and he's autistic. His teachers there, they don't know how to take care of a special needs kid, which is why I need to change his school.
I don't mean to pry, but
So, what have I been doing in the past 5 minutes?
can't his father do anything to help?
He chickened out on me when I got pregnant. We haven't even seen him since then. We didn't need him then. We don't need him now. Jacob and I are doing fine. My Jacob, he's such a sweet kid. You know, despite all that he's going through, it still just makes me feel that everything will be all right.
I think I can help.
How?
My wife, Timmy.
With all that you're going through, it would be selfish of me to ask anything from you.
She works with special needs kids. And I think that
Helping you and Jacob out would be a welcome distraction.
I would love to help.
Good. Okay. Now I think I'll need that drink and lunch for my wife. Abela, thank you.
Thank you too.
Timmy? Timmy, how are you? Timmy? You remember you talked about going into private practice? Well, guess what? I think I may have just found your first client. Timmy, did you hear me? Oh, come on now, Timmy. Don't be like this. I'm going through so much as well. Look, it might look as if I am strong, but I am not. We need to fight this together. I need you as much as you need me. Timmy? Timmy, did you hear me? Come on now, Timmy? Timmy? Oh, come on now, Timmy! Timmy! Oh, no! Timmy, no! Timmy, no! Don't do this to me, Timmy!